In this video, we'll show you how to change colour. We're using Hayfield Bonus DK and you'll use the yarn and needles in your pattern. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. Now to change colour, we're using a double stitch, and this is worked in the very last stitch of your row before starting your next row and band of colour. I'm going to take my new yarn and I'm showing you this in knit stitch, and the principle would be the same in purl. So we're about to work our last knit stitch, and I've got my new colour. I want to make sure that I've got a nice long enough end that I can sew in, and I'm going to hold this with my left needle nice and secure. I'm then going to work my last stitch using two strands of colour. I've got my existing colour and my new colour, and I'm going to work them together as one strand. I'm going to take these and do my final stitch of my row, working two together, and you can see on our needle that that makes two loops, one in our old colour and one in our new colour. I'm going to turn up my work. I've got my end and I've got my two colours. I'm then going to snip my existing colour. I'm going to make sure I've got a nice end, bring that in, snip, and then I've still just got one long end attached, which is our new colour attached to our ball, and our two shorter ends. I'm now going to begin working in my new colour across this row. I'm going to hold those two ends in my left hand so they're nice and secure, and I'm going to come with my right hand needle and I'm going to go under both of those loops, making sure I'm treating them as one stitch. So I've got those two loops, treating them as one stitch, taking my new colour, working my knit stitch, bringing that off, combining them and turning that back into one loop. I'm then going to continue working across the row in my new colour. And that's how you change colour using a double stitch. Practice until you're confident and then head to surdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.